Every once in a while, we list a property that is a rare find, and this one behind me is just that. It's a 2,200 square foot Ace Lange bungalow in the heart of Pleasantview, sitting on a 75 by 140 lot. It's got an open floor plan with 12-foot ceilings, finished basement with big windows, and a 40-foot RV pad with all the hookups, and over 90 feet in parking for your RV, your toys, your cars. It's got room for everything. Give me a call for more details.
This Pleasantview home is for sale or trade. 1072 257th Avenue, Edmonton, Alberta. Call us today for a private showing.